Two suspected Yahoo boys were seen in a viral video bathing in the middle of a busy road in Abia State. As the man who filmed the odd scene expressed surprise, a native doctor came out of the trunk of the car to perform a ritual on them before they zoomed off in a hurry.
I tell you, Najuba be this one. I swear.
Many persons are feared dead after a gas plant located near Untouchable bus stop along Lagos-Asaba Expressway in Abo Community, Delta State, exploded on Friday evening, January 22nd. According to eyewitnesses, the fire allegedly burnt some persons to death, while several buildings located near the scene of the incident were burnt. Many other persons were injured during the fire outbreak. A video shared online showed some of the burnt victims being rushed to the hospital where they are being treated. Meanwhile, the cause of the explosion is yet unknown.